Yo, wow, this screen is bright. Isaiah here over at IsaiahJackson.com. I'm shooting this video for one of my go-to solo ad providers, Edgars here. Yeah, Edgars is one of those people who, like I said, he quickly became one of my go-to solo ad providers. Not just because of the results he actually gets from the actual traffic he sends me, but also because he's actually allowing, he would allow me to test new ideas, right? So if I have a funnel idea I want to test out, I would run it by him real quick. He's like, yeah, sure, let's test it. And we would test it and it'll work just fine. Like this solo ad that I have here, right, where he sent me 1,085 unique visitors and we have 411 actions, 299 engagements. What really happened, this was like a 4-page funnel. So he really got me 299 subscribers on the email list. And the 411 just represents the people who actually went through from page to page in the particular funnel, which is absolutely insane in my opinion. Okay, so he would actually allow me to test ideas like that when nobody else did. Pretty important to me because I'm always testing different list building ideas. And these are just the 2 click magic tracking links that I actually have. I screwed up the tracking for this recent solo ad purchase where I bought 1,132. Well, I bought 1,000 clicks here, but he actually got me about 424 new subscribers on the email list. Okay, he converted about 39.3% opt-in. So pretty good there. I even made a $27 sale. I woke up in the morning, found out I made a $27 sale. And haven't even sent out the follow-up emails yet. So there's that. I buy from Edgars a lot. As you can see, when he was on Udemy, if he's still on Udemy, I bought 13 solo ads from him inside of Udemy alone. And every time, the results just got better and better and better. I'm a pretty frequent buyer from him in particular. I recall a time where I was buying like 300, 400, 500, 600 clicks. And the opt-in rate was like through the roof. I recall an ad where I believe I bought 600, maybe 500 visitors, 500, 600 clicks. And he really did over deliver by a lot. But the amount of subscribers he put on my email list was absolutely insane. I mean, I ended up with like 500 subscribers on my email list when the ad was like said and done. I was just like, whoa, what happened? Right? Big difference here, big jump in subscriber count and a big jump in overall sales as a result of that as well. Okay, I don't have these numbers inside of Click Magic because these numbers here were basically using Udemy's tracker. All right. And another thing, like back in like 2018, where I tested a whole new idea of just starting from complete scratch and building an email list, like what would I do? He was the first guy I went to. This is why you see him here for 4 straight weeks. I basically just went in, bought traffic from him every single week, pretty consistently. And what ended up happening as a result of that list building challenge, by the way, was the fact that I was able to sell products, my own products, at much higher price points than I normally could when actually doing this. I mean, I was selling $97 offers, $197 products, $297 products like clockwork with just the email list I built from Edgars. Okay, so pretty amazing stuff. They do buy. He definitely has some buyers on his email list. You definitely got some people who actually responds to emails as well if they have a question about a certain thing and things of that nature, which of course, if you're smart, you can just use that to lead into a sale of like, say, 1 hour of coaching, week-long coaching, month-long coaching, and things like that. So yeah, I would say Edgars, he's made me a lot of money. He's also put a decent amount of email subscribers on my email list pretty much without fail. So if you're looking for somebody to buy traffic from, he would definitely be one of the guys I would go to when it comes to getting solid results with email marketing and overall list building. All right, so that's pretty much all I got for this video today. Again, I mean, if you're looking for somebody to buy traffic from, Edgars is the guy to go to. Okay, so he gets my stamp of approval. I mean, he's a guy I go to pretty frequently when it comes to buying traffic. I'm never going to be buying more traffic from him next week and the week after that, so yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. My name is Isaiah Jackson over at IsaiahJackson.com, and I look forward to talking to you all soon.